Hello friends, welcome you to a short edition about Salesforce Health Cloud Part 1. Today we are going to do a very basic introduction about Salesforce Health Cloud. So Salesforce Health Cloud is a managed application listed in Salesforce App Exchange. It has been created take into consideration the provider and payer community. So when it comes to provider, those would be hospitals as an example, and payers would be insurance company. So Salesforce Health Cloud basically helps the service provider like a hospital to provide a personalized experience to the patient. For example, the service provider can basically run journeys and campaigns to reach out to patients, and for example, there could be a campaign which can be sent out, which could be about uh, certain laboratory or diagnosis treatment which is being provided at a certain discounted rate. A patient may visit the hospital to avail that particular diagnosis. Now what happens is basically once the patient completes the formalities and um, completes the diagnosis, the results are available. The patient has an option to meet the doctor, understand the medication involved. So that's the kind of scenario we're talking about. In terms of better care, once the patient for some reasons gets admitted in the hospital, so the complete life cycle from right from admission till discharge can be handled in a better manner. And nowadays the focus is always on the experience part. And the one last point which I wanted to cover as part of this video was, so the data model is based on fast healthcare interoperability resources. So what I'm trying to say is that there are standard fields within the solution which helps smoother data transfer between healthcare systems. For US region, we have something known as EHR, which is basically electronic health record. The idea behind adoption of EHR across hospitals in US is basically to shift from an environment where physical medical records are used to an electronic format. And the benefits are, there are a lot of benefits. For example, it's easier to uh, manage a digital record. You can provide secure access to the right people involved. And for example, if the patient is visiting some other hospital in near future for treatment for various reasons, the EHR system will ensure that the data continuity is there. In such a scenario, it becomes crucial for Salesforce Health Cloud to be mapped to EHR application in the form of integration. Now that will be covered in my next session. But the idea is there are standard fields which are captured in Salesforce Health Cloud, which are mapped to the EHR in a certain way. So it becomes easier for both the application to comparatively sync the data. So thanks everyone for listening to me today. We'll soon catch up with another exciting session on Salesforce Health Cloud. Till then, take care. Bye.